together the Yllo Fingerboards, locally made. So first you get all the screws and tools you need right out of the packaging, 4 wheels, and 2 sheets of grip if you want to do anything fancy. They've also kind of upgraded their grips from last time. I personally like to do the bolts and screws first before you do the grip, and it might sound crazy compared to like actual skateboarding, but in fingerboarding it's what you do, so it doesn't look all weird. So then you put them all in. So these are real metal trucks, and they also have rubber bushings. Maybe you want to have like these kind of flush with the board. These also have real small bearings in it, real and really small. So keep it on like a wide, clean surface that's hard, and don't do it on carpet because then you're destined to lose it, you know. Make it a flat surface too because this stuff will just roll away. Make sure you put the bolts facing the correct direction. So you put it in here first, like that, and then you put it on the wheel. These are really good fingerboards for what their cost is. They're only 20 bucks, and they're actually really well made. They're made locally too by a teenager. They also give you a little nail filer in here. That's for cutting the grip. Don't try to do it with the razor or else you'll do it all bad. Some people put this sticky part facing up and then put the board on, so you make sure that you don't mess up anywhere or actually like have a spot hanging out. And then from there you just push down and rub and get all the air bubbles out. So now that once your grip's on, try to kind of make like an indentation almost. It would help with the sanding part. And with your sander, just go like that. Right? Nothing too crazy, just on the edge. And I'll start to sand off the edges. It's also pretty satisfying to make these. It only takes about 10 or so minutes to slap them together. It's a good little birthday present or Christmas present, you know, if you don't want to burn 40 bucks on a, you know, fingerboard. It's an awesome gift, $20. It cures boredom. Yllo Fingerboards.